Hello everybody, welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. In today's episode, we're taking on a very nice side dish that works well and very well with chips, inspired by the Food Network's Alton Brown. You want to know what's so tasty with chips? Come on everybody, let's get cooking. Today's shout out goes to Nick. Wait, how do you pronounce his last name? Never seen that last name before. Is it Gur, like a bear? Oh, okay. Let's record again. Nick! Thanks for your support, Nick. I hope you continue to watch the channel. If you want to find out how to get a shout out, make sure you watch through to the end where I tell you how. Get those chips ready for the Super Bowl dips. It's guacamole. We're going to show you how to take those avocados, mash them up, put them in the right spices, and make a wonderful, tasty guacamole dish that everybody will love. Better than the packaged stuff you get in the store. 2 avocados. The juice from 1 lime. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of cumin. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Half an onion chopped really small. Since my kids don't like the texture of chopped onion, but they love the flavor, we're going to use a tablespoon of onion powder, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh cilantro. For guacamole, you're just going to take all the ingredients and just mix them together for the most part. If you want to add tomatoes in the end, by all means. Some people love chopped tomato in their guacamole. But we're going to start with the avocado. Make sure when you buy them, well, they can be firm, but if there's nice a little bit of softness, as I push in, a little bit of dent, maybe you can hopefully see that. And this looks like a pretty good ripe avocado ready for mashing. If your avocado is too firm, it won't mash very well. Now, I like to mash them, cutting avocados. Straight down the middle. All the way around. Twist apart. And you'll have a seed inside. This one I did a very good job on. What you do, knife right into the seed, twist, and the seed comes out. Then you bang the knife on the trash can to throw the seed away. So this one looks pretty soft, you can push it good. Second avocado. Knife all the way around. Hopefully get back to the same spot you started. Twist. 1/2 out of the seed, 1/2 doesn't. Slap. Twist out. There's your seed. Okay, for the avocados, I'm going to take out the little black spots, a little bit of it. Yeah, I can walk through. I feel it with the spoon. It's a little, they're nice and soft. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm just going to take a spoon, run it through the inside, take off as much avocado as I can. If the brown spots are bothering you, take them out as well. And we're going to toss it into just a regular mixing bowl. Choose your own mixing bowl. Scrape off the rest of the edges. Especially like the edge part, because it is the softer, tastier part. So make sure you get out of that as much as I can. Scrape out the shell. Now you can throw away the shell. Do the same with the others. Use a spoon. Use it to take out the parts you don't want. Look at that part, or this part. Parts you think are bad. Around the edges. Personally, I like to mash my avocado before adding any spices. And the avocado is ripe enough, you can mash with a fork. My kids, on the other hand, like a very creamy guacamole. This is also a little too hard for my fork. Eventually it would work. I have other means besides just a fork. You cut it up finer and then mash it better. My kids like a smoother guacamole. So instead of using this fork, we're going to use These avocados are still on the firm side, so I blended it with my mixer. Isn't as creamy as you would like, but that's okay. Kids like it really creamy, wife and I, not so much. Now that we've got the avocado all mixed up, let's first put in the juice of a lime. Juice of a lime has two uses here. Use number one, flavor. Use number two, the citric acid inside the lime will help keep the guacamole, the avocado, from turning brown. Now, turning brown doesn't mean it's gone bad, it just means it's gotten oxidized. Still will taste good. Most people don't like the brown look of avocado. So we're going to put it in the whole lime juice. Okay, got it about as much as I can of that half. To the other half. Ooh, little seed, take that out. Now we're going to use a spoon to stir all up. And if you can, use the fresh stuff. Much better than the bottled stuff. Next, I'm going to chop up the other ingredients I'm going to put in. If you want to chop them up before you do the avocado, that's fine. I'm going to take my garlic and chop it up. Not actually chop, I'm going to grate it. I'm going to put in my fresh ingredients next before I get to the spices. So I'm going to put in 3 cloves of garlic. I like to use a fine cheese grater. Whatever method you like to chop your garlic nice and fine is fine. My preferred is a cheese grater. Next, we're trying about a tablespoon's worth of cilantro to put in. And this, I got no extra trick. Gotta chop it with a knife. Okay, so there's my tablespoon of fine chopped cilantro. Let's put that in the bowl. Go ahead and mix those together. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Or a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to open up the bottle directly and pour it in, put it in this way. This is for spicy. If you don't like something very spicy, you can omit the cayenne. Now I'm going for a full tablespoon of onion powder. That's close enough. Besides, we're going to taste it when we're done. If you like that a little bit of black pepper, you might. I'm not going to this time. Now, if you'd rather add raw onion to it, that's fine. Or if you're going to add tomatoes, you'd add them now and mix it all together. Now, usually we set this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We will do that. But first, you gotta take a test. Make sure it is tasting good. So I've got my favorite brand of chipper. I'm gonna give it a try. See how good it is. Take a chip. Have a nice taste test. See if it needs anything. The guacamole chip. Nice taste test. See if it needs anything. Tastes good. Maybe a little too much lime for my kids' liking, but I think it tastes really good. Now we're going to place it in the refrigerator and let the flavors blend. For me, personally, I'm going to place a plate over it to keep the air out so it'll stay greener longer. Put it in there for 30 minutes, and we'll take it out and let the kids try. And it goes for 30 minutes, then let the kids try. Okay, it's been a 30-minute wait, so we're going to now take out the wonderful guacamole. Still beautifully green. And we're going to let the kids see how they like it.
Losing all the avocado with the strange mixed with all the vegetables adds more flavor than the guacamole you make just with the guacamole mix.
This guacamole tastes different than you usually make it.
It's homemade. It's not.
But you've made homemade before.
What's different?
Did you add more cilantro?
I added cilantro. The other recipe never has cilantro.
Good different. Not bad different. Tequila good different. Can I do different? Okay.
So what's your verdict? So what's your verdict?
Good guacamole.
Since you've made it this far, don't forget to mash that like button. Just like we mashed our avocados so we can have very wonderful guacamole inspired by Alton Brown. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. And just to mess with those who don't make it this far in the video, please slip the word cucumber somehow into your comment below for a chance at a shout out in my next video. Thanks for watching and have a happy and healthy day.